Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why a Zapier login failed 2026. There can be several common reasons. Incorrect email or password. Wrong login credentials are the most common cause. Forgotten or changed password. Old password won't work after a reset or update. Account not verified. Unverified email can block access to the account. Server or temporary issues. Zapier servers may be down or under maintenance. Browser or app issues. Outdated browser, app, bugs, or corrupted cache can interfere with login. Internet connection problems. Slow or unstable internet can prevent authentication. Security restrictions. Multiple failed attempts or suspicious activity may temporarily lock the account. SSO or third-party login issues. Problems with Google, Microsoft, or other single sign-on methods can cause failure. If the issue continues, reset your password, clear cache, try another browser, device, or contact Zapier support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.